established in 2011. Shenzhen Ben Haida Rubber and Plastic Company Limited is one of leading suppliers specializing in baby feeding products and kitchenware with innovative design, professional R&D, sales, and fulfillment services. All our products are made from 100% food-grade materials, rigorously third-party tested and certified in compliance with US and EU standards, ensuring they are PAF-free and safe. Our company and associate factory has been on-site verified by SGS and is certified with SEDEX 4-pillar SMETA and HAGFEM audits, demonstrating our commitment to ethical manufacturing and sustainability. Ben Haida's Alibaba trade assurance orders exceed $1 million annually. Backed by a highly trained sales team, an experienced R&D department, and a strict production control system, we provide a one-stop OEM and ODM service for many well-known home and baby brands worldwide. We hold hundreds of patents across the US, EU, and China. Our company and associated factory covers 7,700 square meters, employing 107 skilled workers and operating 40 advanced machines and an in-house mold workshop. With over 500 private tooling molds developed in collaboration with our clients, we ensure high precision and product excellence. At Ben Haida, we prioritize strict quality control, customer satisfaction, and competitive pricing, delivering high-quality products with integrity and accountability. We welcome you to visit our factory or contact us to explore potential collaborations.